Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're gonna finish the s550 seat install. So got the driver's side, our passenger side still out. The rears are still looking really good. I got my gym bag there for right now. I have to go and get a few parts to make the seats actually fit. So I'm gonna let the car warm up real quick, and then I'm gonna make a run to get some brackets for the new seats, and we're gonna tackle that and get it all finished up. Home Depot theme song lives rent-free in my head right now. I cannot get it out of my head, but I'm looking for an L bracket right now. It says it's in this aisle. I haven't found it. So either they're out or I'm just not looking hard enough. So, and I looked at this and it's a little too small, and I could like hammer it down to be the shape I need it to be, but it's just too small. So this is the bolt. This is the front driver's side. So I'm just trying to find something to fit this and fit the bracket of the actual seat. So I'm gonna keep looking. If not, I'll try Ace, but we'll go from here. All right, now I get it, I don't own the parking lot, but why do you have to park next to me? Of all these open spots, there's a whole freaking parking lot on this side. Park next to me. I park far away so no one parks next to me. All right, so if you didn't watch part one, this is the piece we're gonna need to fit onto this part right here, which is going on the front. So the dilemma is I basically have to cut it off. I mean, I talked about it before, it's so rusted on there. That, and I don't know how I've unbolt that. And I thought about reusing the base of the whole thing, but like you can see how rusted out this is. I wouldn't want to really put these on brand new seats. So I'm probably just gonna cut this off and then reuse it on that. I knew I forgot something at Home Depot, of course. But yeah, so we're just gonna reuse this bracket. I just have to cut it off. So that's gonna be the fun part of getting this on there. Okay, so with the new brackets, what I'm thinking is I'm probably just gonna have to drill a new hole there and then right here to hold that in place. And then the other side, this is gonna be the tricky part because there's less space to work with. So yeah, we're gonna be having fun trying to figure that part out. All right, so the rears are done. The rear bolts, hold on, let me screw this up. So you will have a little bit of fitment issue. So what you're gonna have to do, there's these little nubs. Let me see if I can find one I cut off. Can't find it. All right, I'll just show you on the new seat. So there's these little nubs on the rear that you're gonna have to chop off. So there's one here, one here. You're gonna have to chop those off to make the rear sit flush. So that's how I got those to work. The issue I'm still having is the fronts, obviously. That's the hard part, getting these guys to work without having to modify this bracket anymore. So I'm still brainstorming on a few ways. Like I cut a hole in the carpet right here. I'm thinking of mounting the bracket here and then doing like a nut and bolt right here to connect that. And then, like I said in the previous clip, this side is really small, so I might have to get a different bracket because the ones I have are a little bit too big for that section. So that's what I'm thinking, but I just want to get the driver's side in as well, so I can see how the full interior looks with these seats in here, and then go from there. Yeah, this is the first time I've sat in my car and I felt comfortable. Oh man, a complete S550 interior and a 3-valve. Holy man. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Obviously the fronts are still the issue. I just wanted to get this in here so I could see a complete interior of this, and it looks super dope. All I have to do now after I finish the seats is like some cosmetic stuff on the dashboard. I think interior and steering wheel. Then I think the interior is pretty much what I want it to be, besides panels. But I mean, I'm not really tripping about panels. Just depends on the route I go down. But we'll see. But yeah, this looks super sick. All right, so I actually cut off one of the brackets from the original seat just to see how it would look, and I think it will work. I kind of came a little too close when I was cutting, because I did use a Sawzall. It was probably a little overkill. But yeah, so I'm thinking JB Weld to the bottom of it would probably work. So I'm gonna go grab some of that, and well, I'm gonna go to Ace this time instead of Home Depot and actually see if I can find some different L brackets, and hopefully those will slide in a little bit easier compared to what I'm using right now. So L brackets and some JB Weld. All right, we're in good shape. I found a bolt that will fit in there, and then we can just slightly adjust that to be lined up, and then we will be good to harness that down. We got to straighten out this bolt, obviously, but we'll be good to harness everything down and then get the first bracket done. All right, so I have side number 1 done right here. I got this second bracket ready, but I will have to shave down a little bit on this side, because obviously you can see this part is sticking out way too much. But the hole's lined up right here, so I'm gonna have to shave it down a little bit, just so I can massage this part in. And then from there, the driver's side will be done. And I think I'm gonna wrap that video up there, because obviously it's just gonna be the same thing for the other side. But like I told y'all, I messed up that first bracket, so I can't even finish the passenger side. I have the other one, I just cut it, where'd it go? Well, yeah, I just cut it. So basically neither one of these seats are usable now, unless you get brand new brackets and all that. So much for selling the, I mean, if you guys want them, you guys more than welcome to come and snag these off of me and do whatever you want with them. But yeah, so since they're useless, they're free, $3.99. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap up the video there. I got the brackets in there, so I'm gonna get that done, and then that's pretty much it for the install. Yeah, I can't lie, super proud of myself for getting this interior swap done. I haven't seen too many people do this swap before. I got that lower bracket done finally. So what's next? Obviously I want to get a new steering wheel. The pony's fading. And then I'll probably do, I don't want to do the Dyna Performance, whatever, carbon overlay. I feel like a lot of people do that. I want to be different. Maybe get this wrapped. I don't know. The panels, I said I wasn't tripping about, but I mean, the grayish color kind of kills it, honestly. Like, looking at it now with the seats installed, kind of kills it. I can't lie. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in for this swap. I mean, it's been a headache. It's been a weekend process. So, you know, I dedicated my weekend to this. So, you know, you should drop a like, subscribe, show some love. But yeah, I'm nothing close to a fabricator or anything like that. So any miscuts I did, anything, like, this is the first time deal. Kind of went into this raw. I've only seen one video that kind of does a similar swap, but it was at Recaro, so they're a little bit different. So yeah, but I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all later.